Airstream quality is proven around the world. Ever since the 1930s, Airstream owners have taken their Airstreams places where few cars have dared. The toughest roads, the roughest conditions have proven that Airstreams have a durability and roadability unsurpassed in the industry. So whether you're behind the wheel of an Airstream motorhome or pulling your sleek Airstream travel trailer, you can be sure you have a vehicle second to none. What makes Airstreams different? What gives them their dramatic edge on the competition? The answer starts right here at the Airstream manufacturing site in Jackson Center, Ohio. For over 50 years, three things have been paramount. Use only the finest materials, the best engineering design, and old-fashioned handcrafted care. The result has been over 100,000 recreational vehicles of exceptional quality. During every phase of construction, you see people, not machines, at work. Each unit is customized and virtually hand-built by skilled technicians and craftspeople.
When it goes out, I want to know that it's okay. And it will be okay because it's something that's been built into me through the years working at Airstream.
Each one of us has our own craft. You have your woodworkers, you have your upholsterers, which I am, you have your metal workers. People who know how to do a certain job and they do it well.
I'm really proud of what we put out of the sewing room. Everyone really does a good job, and I do think the quality is high.
The expert craftsmanship is matched by the peerless aerodynamic design of the Airstream. The trademark silver body begins with a special cold roll tempered high-quality finish aluminum. Each piece is cut, hand-formed, and riveted into place. The stretch-formed aluminum, combined with the unique rounded shape of the vehicle, gives Airstream an outstanding strength-to-weight ratio. The outer skin of our motorhome or travel trailer forms and can support its own shape, even without reinforcement. This is Airstream's unique semi-monocoque construction. Similar to aircraft construction, this design allows us to make Airstreams literally thousands of pounds lighter than other recreational vehicles and produces unmatched fuel economy and handling. We pioneered this design over 50 years ago, yet it is even more important today. Airstreams are not box-like houses on wheels. They are landcraft, engineered to glide through the wind. Step by careful step, your travel trailer or motorhome is constructed. Thousands of rivets are used to provide the tightest, most reliable means of fastening. Ribs are added, not for strength, but for extra support for the interior appointments. Windows are installed. The doorway is cut. The body of your Airstream is permanently secured to the completed subframe and chassis. Finally, the exterior walls and frame are riveted to the aluminum underbody for maximum durability and watertight construction. All Airstreams are built for the long run, with heavy-duty steel subframes to give you a recreational vehicle that can be handed down to the next generation. Airstream's truck-like strength comes not from massive weight, but from sound engineering principles. With the Airstream motorhome, we start with a sturdy General Motors chassis and customize it to our exacting standards. Over 50% of the vehicle's weight is below the floor line. This design means excellent fuel economy, better towability for the travel trailer, and, combined with a complete airbag suspension system, it means unexcelled handling for the motorhome. We give you a choice of an 8-cylinder gasoline or turbocharged 6-cylinder engine. Performance? The Airstream motorhome can go from 0 to 30 miles an hour in just 7 seconds. The superb ride of the travel trailer is due largely to the amazing Duratorque axle. The inner axle is surrounded by a supercooled rubber compound and inserted in a steel outer shell. When the rubber bars thaw, they expand, providing an elegantly simple and durable independent suspension system within an axle. Cushioned in rubber and encased in steel, the Duratorque axle provides the best possible handling and towing safety. It has improved ground clearance and is totally maintenance-free. Every Airstream is subjected to rigorous testing, including this tough cloudburst test, the same trial used to check military shelters for water tightness. Inside your Airstream, every square inch is lined with a thick mattress of insulation. The inner skin is also aluminum, but vinyl clad, attractive, durable, and easy to maintain. A sophisticated electrical system is carefully installed and double-checked for trouble-free operation. Meanwhile, as the basic vehicle moves from stage to stage of construction, in other parts of the plant, work proceeds on the interior components. At Airstream, we build our own cabinets. In our in-house vacuum forming plant, we custom make our own top-quality interior components. Exceedingly lightweight, but designed for long-term durability. Our interior designers have selected an impressive array of contemporary and traditional colors and patterns to please even the most discriminating person.
I think that it is a traditional thing to do your best and to put the best quality of workmanship that you can into the Airstream product.
As the vehicle's near completion, every aspect is given a thorough quality inspection. Every component fits well. Every mechanism works faultlessly before the unit leaves the plant. It is this strict personal attention to detail, this unrelenting desire to produce only the best, that has kept Airstreams on the road year after year, with a value that is the envy of the competition.
If you're going for quality, you've got to build it like we're doing. We're building a dream for somebody. It's something I would be proud to own. I would be proud to own Airstream.